Good morning. Good morning, VCon 2020. It may be coming online to you, but what I feel is the VCon is happening. Because whether it is coming online or I'm watching it live in front of my eyes, it is all about feelings. And I guarantee you, not only me, but all of you are feeling the heart of VCon, the heart of our founders, the heart of all the V partners. Okay? So right now I'm here to share my journey. I started this business in February 2012, and it was my upline, Onil Bhai, who showed me the plan. I was rejected from the plan because I did not have any money. Before that, I was a doctor. I mean, once a doctor is always a doctor, but I don't practice anymore. I don't practice for medicine, for money anymore. I'm a charitable doctor because the education which I have taken, the degree which I have taken, will always be there. So it's why not to use it for charity, okay? So once you know that when you are financially free, you can use your degrees, your knowledge, your skills to help many more people on this planet Earth, those who really need it. And that's what I'm doing right now. Okay? So when Onil Bhai showed me the plan, I did not have any money. At that time, I was practicing as a senior resident in Subharti Medical College in Meerut. MBBS, PG, all I did, I completed everything in almost like 10 or 11 years. But even then, I did not have 2 lakh or 3 lakh rupees, that is 200,000 to 300,000 rupees to start this business. But thank God, I got a loan. I got a loan from a personal, not a very good bank. It's a financial institute called Fullerton. And they gave me a personal loan at the rate of 21%, whereas the normal interest rate was 13 to 14%. But even then, I always say them, thank you so much that they gave me this loan. Otherwise, main yahan nahi hota. Okay? So I started my journey. I just signed up. But when I signed up, one thing was very sure, that my profession, my medicine is my primary focus. I never ever thought that one day, I will stop practicing. I will stop doing practice, medical practice. Because if at the start this was told to me, I wouldn't have joined this business. Not at all. Because treating my patients was my passion. And any doctor will understand what I'm saying. When an unconscious patient or a patient, when he comes in a pain, when you give that medicine, and when he becomes healthy and he says thank you, that's the biggest blessing on this planet Earth. That's the biggest kick. And that was my biggest kick. But even then, I started my journey. I did not have enough money. I mean, if I have to tell my story. And my 8.5-year journey in the business is full of stories. Because this is what AVP Sharfun told me very initially in the business. That every challenge you are facing, every difficulty you are facing, one day, this all will become a story. And so I have a lot. I started my business when I was rejected from the plan. I was not shown the plan because I did not have the money. But I arranged the money. I never gave up. And this all comes... This never give up attitude, this comes from my grandfather. If you can put the photo of my grandfather at my, because I just want to say thank you to him. Okay, I will try to slow down because the time is very less and I have to cover a lot. Okay, thank you. So, my grandfather, from my initial days, as I lost my father when I was in 7th class, it was my grandfather who looked after me. And he is the one who kept telling me at each and every step that you can do anything. You can do anything. He was a farmer, but he was always that one person who was moving ahead with time. I think he's at the background. Yeah, he's my grandfather. And I know, and I'll keep doing my best to be known by his name. I will always be known by his name. When I lost my father, it was difficult for me. But he never allowed me to feel all that thing. When I joined my Sainik school, my schooling, he used to tell me that I can come first in the class, I can be in top 3, I can play football, I can play boxing, I can play any game. And in fact, that's what became, because he instilled me that thought that nothing is impossible in this world. And so I was a topper in the school, top 3. I was a boxer, I was a footballer, I was a cricketer, except tennis and basketball, I was in every team of my school. And that attitude, that helped me to build this business. So when I signed up, my sign-up happened with the loan, but then came to know that there is something called as hot sign-ups. I have to sign up my wife also. Getting married to my wife, Yashu, was also a difficult task. That's also a story. It's a love marriage. She belongs to Delhi, different caste. I belong to a very small place in UP called Devariya. I don't know how many of you know it, but now you people will know it. Okay? So I'm also from a very small town, a village. Okay? So I got married, somehow love marriage, intercaste marriage. No one was ready to, we just got blessings from everyone. We got married, no money, because that's the side effect of love marriage. You don't get any money. You only get your love, and I got it. Okay? After that, I signed up Yashu. And because I had to do my hot sign-ups, and I signed up with the money which we got during our marriage, because in India there is a culture that they give you money as a gift when you get married in the envelope. That money I used for signing up Yashu. But never ever I cribbed and cried to my upline that I cannot do my hot sign-up, because I understood this concept that the position will, after some time I will get that money, but I will never get that position again. So I signed up Yashu. After that, I was in Meerut association. The business activities, they used to happen in Delhi. And from Meerut to Delhi, it was 90 kilometers one side. February 2012, I started. March, April, May, almost like 3 months, I was doing practice I was practicing in 2 hospitals. So I was not that active in the regular association, but once I attended an event called QSP in Delhi 2012, I started attending my association every day. From that day till I shifted myself to Delhi, every day I was traveling around 200 kilometers, 90 kilometers going, 90 kilometers going. My schedule used to be 7 a.m., get up in the morning, go to hospital, 8 to 3 in the hospital, from 3 to go to association, reach there in Delhi by 6, finish my association by 12, and then I used to come back by 2. Again, the same story. And this kept happening till I shifted myself to Delhi. But I never cribbed and cried that there is a distance, why don't you show my plan here, can I do it here, and all those things. Never, ever. Everything. Then came VCon. VCon is that one place, Indonesia, Jakarta, where I took that one decision of making this business as the primary goal of my life. I started taking my 12 years of medical career as a secondary. Because when I attended my first VCon, I felt the heart of our founders, Dato Shri and Japadas. I felt the heart of our own chief. I felt the heart of our own, all the V partners. And then I decided that I can serve society by being a doctor, but I can much better serve. I can serve exponentially if I do this business. And that's what I did. Today, I think approximately there are 1,000 to 2,000 doctors and people related to medical profession in my team, those who are serving to the people without even thinking, without even having any thought of money in their head, because they are making money from this business. Okay, going to VCon was a challenge. I did not have passport. I arranged the passport. Apar, my first sign-up, the one, my friend who always helps me whenever I'm in trouble. I don't know why it happens. Whenever I'm in trouble, he's the one person who comes the first. And he arranged everything, documentation for my passport. I did not have money. My uplines helped me. I borrowed money, but I never did I did not cut short that only I will go or only Yashu will go. Both of us, we went to VCon. We did not have money to eat. I mean, we did not have money to have lunch or dinner both together in the particular week on. So we used to carry the breakfast stuff from the hotel in the morning. We used to do our lunch with that. And in the dinner, we used to have our dinner. But that week on changed. And today that one thing is happening, what happened in that week on. We partner Padma spoke today in this week on after that week on. And I know, and I'm so thankful to ma'am, so thankful to you because your one session in that week on changed me. I heard your journey and I took that decision. Your one session was one of the major sessions which helped me to change. And I know today, 200,000 people watching this week on and those who heard you, many of them will come and share their story on the week on stage one day telling that you inspired them to come over here. So I'm so thankful to you, ma'am. Okay, after that week on, I became very serious. My primary goal was this business. All the challenges came. I became a full-timer. I started in February 2012. June 2013, I quit my job. I stopped practicing. And September 2013, all the challenges in India started. One by one, one by one, one by one. Every Friday, something used to happen. But I knew the heart of our company. I knew the heart of our founders. I knew heart of our appliance. I knew heart of our own chief. And I trusted them because I felt that heart in week on. And I kept building, I kept building. I still remember I was showing a plan and the news was going on the TV above my head. And even the person, the shopkeeper, he came and told me, bro, there is a negative news about your company on the TV and I have put it off. Because I know you people are not wrong. Though he was not part of the business. So all those people who say that this is not right, no bro, please come, join us. Go through this journey and then you will understand there is nothing wrong over here. Okay? Then all the challenges we overcame. Then the major shift happened. I mean, one of the major challenge again hit us when our main upline was gone. And then the group came into the existence. All those fighters. AV, can I have that photo, please? All the people, my uplines, AVP Shipra, AVP Neeraj, Onil Bhai, Apar, Arpit, Yashu, and Prashant Bhai. Prashant Bhai, I love you. And this group, this is that one group. This is that one group. No matter what happens, these guys are those guys who will never give up. So all those people who are watching us today, mark my words, these are those guys who will never give up on you. That's my promise, and I'm promising on behalf of Mate. AVP Shipra, I always call her Mate, on her behalf. And she knows. She knows. This group came into existence, and rest is history. You all know how it all happened and all. The next 2015, April, we went to ISB. ISB changed my attitude towards this business. The whole soul, whatever left, whatever remaining was still there, it was all cleared in my ISB. Before this, you all were listening in Service Brotherhood. Number one himself was talking about these things. Chief also spoke about in service. And that's what we have felt in ISB. And we kept building ranks, people making checks, people achieving success. Everything was growing, growing, growing. But there was a time in 2017 when I started feeling that, I don't know, I was looking for something, but I was not getting anything. And then came the moment, one of the biggest turnover in my life in this business. Number one, thank you so much for that one thing which you did for me. You made me XO of none other than Chief. And that 8 days with Chief changed me. Before that, I was thinking I'm doing enough. But after that 1 week on when I was XO to Chief, I came back and I spoke to each and every individual and my team and I told them, bro, we are not doing anything. Even if we can do what Chief is doing, even if I can do 5 to 10% of what contribution Chief is doing in our life, we all will become a super duper whatever rock star or whatever bumper star you can call it. But that one moment Thank you, number one. Thank you so much for that one thing which you did for me. And after that, in November 2017, I attended my advanced ISB. Anyone who wants to become a real human, a human being, the one who wants to serve society, the one who wants to do something for their family, for their native places, for their village, for their city, please come to Advanced ISB. This business has not given me only the money. Money is a byproduct now. Our uplines used to say this, but now I am the testimony of it, that money is only a byproduct. What you become in the business is the most important thing. All these things were happening, and then this COVID thing came. And this is what I want to tell in today's one thing. I'm going to say one thing which I hope you all will understand. Guys, if you are part of this business, if you are part of this company, then let me tell you one thing. You are hot sign up of God. Remember this. I hope you understand what is the meaning of hot sign up. God has chosen each one of us to be part of this journey. Last 6 months have told us this. Why I'm saying this? Because last 6 months, when everything was becoming stagnant, when everything was going down, we all were rising. We all were rising. All those limitations which were there, how much to show plan, where to do the trainings, we cannot do in this city, we cannot do in that country. All the challenges and all the obstacles, he removed in a snap of a second. Just like this, he put everything online. Today, VCon is happening online. All trainings happening online. Plans happening online. Sign-ups happening online. Checks, purchases happening online. Everything is happening online. And that is true limitless. And why? That's why I started saying, in fact, Suresh is the one who gave me this word that, Bhaiya, we are a hot sign-up of him. He has chosen us for this. And when we are hot sign-up, he has given us that hot position, then why not to give our 100%? Why not to give more than our 100%? And that's what we kept doing and doing. Okay? So one last thing which I always say, I mean, if I start saying thank you to everyone, I'm whole day, whole night will finish. But even then, I want to say thank you to some people, all my uplines, we partner Dev for installing all the values. We partner Sachin, we partner Kavita, AVP Sharfun, AVP Shipra, AVP Neeraj, we counsel O'Neill, all of them. I'm so thankful, and I can tell you one thing, that I'm the most blessed person on this planet Earth. Because I have got the best uplines in this world, and I have got the best downlines in this world. I am nothing, I have not done anything. Today I'm talking here, it's not because of me that I have done something. It is my uplines who told me to do something, and I have just passed it on to my downlines, and they have done it so much. They have pushed me so much that today I am standing here and representing each one of you. Each one of you, those who are sitting or standing over there, I'm representing you. And I want to say thank you from bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for trusting your upline, for trusting all of us. Thank you so much. And remember that one thing, that we are his hot sign-up. And when you know that you are his hot sign-up, he has chosen you, then nothing can stop you. At last, I want to say thank you to my son and my wife. Avi, if you can put that photo, that last photo, that's my son, Champion, and my wife, Yeshu. Today, if I'm able to do something, if I'm doing something, if I'm able to think, or if I have that time or that liberty to do something, it is because that Yeshu gives me that space of mind. She allows me to be what I am. She never forces me to do anything. And my son, obviously, you can see is sitting on my shoulder. Maybe one day he will do much better than me. I love you, both of them, Champion and Yeshu. And I love all my people in teams and all my uplines. Thank you so much. Okay? And that only one thing. I want to leave this holy place with only one message. Only one message. I want to play a song. Maybe can you start that song? Remember this song. all those years, for the last 6 months, what all God has given us. When we know that we are His hot sign up, when we know that He has chosen us, when we know the heart of our founders, when we know the heart of our V partners, and when we know heart of our own chief. I know since 2017, May or June 2017, there has not been even one day when I have not listened or watched any of the videos for at least 2 or 3 hours. 24/7, whether he's there or he's not there, his voice is consistently there in my head. I keep listening to him. I keep listening to him. And when we know that we are in so safe hands, when we know that God is with us, then listen this song. All those people who don't understand Hindi, please find someone and understand this song. Find out a corner in your room, set up a table and a chair, bring a laptop and a Wi-Fi, and start doing this business. Start building this business, because what this business can give us, nothing in this world can give us to us. Remember this song. Each and every word of this song will help you, to push you. Don't sit and relax. This is the wonderful opportunity, not only to serve your family, your friends. They need it more. You can serve your society, your village, your city. Please don't sit and relax. Please don't crib and cry. You are in the safest hands of this world. Listen this song every day, every night, and do your activity every day, every day, every day. Bar, lagatar. Because God is with us. Remember this. We are His hot sign up. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you all my uplines. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I can't stop saying this, but thank you.